Hey, this is Dylan's dad, driving one of my favorite trucks, 212. I'm going to try to hard rev it, so there might be some lids left open. It might be a little bit slower, but let's see how it goes.